Hi, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we are going to contrast the th and the th sound in Vietnamese. So are you ready? Let's get started. First of all, I want to say that these two sounds have the same mouth shape and the tongue position. So to pronounce the th and the th sound, your tongue touches the gum bridge. And the difference between these two sounds is the th sound is a stop sound. So when you say the word with the th sound, you don't push the air out of your mouth. But the th sound is an aspirated sound. So when you say the words with this sound, you have to push the air out of the mouth very strongly. And the second thing is the th sound is a hard sound. So when you say the word with the th sound, your tongue should be tense and hard. But the th sound is a soft sound. So when you say the words with the th sound, your tongue should be relaxed and soft. Now let's hear how I say these two words with the th and th sound. Ta, ta, again. Ta, ta. I hope you can figure out the difference between these two sounds. Now let's practice some words with the th and th sound. Ta, ta, tu, tu, tay, thay, tương, thương, tiền, thiền, táo, tháo, tường, thường, tâm thế, tập thể, tình thế, thân tình, tập thể, tổn thương, tiện thể, toàn thích tập thể thao. Now let's try to say it a little bit faster. Toàn thích tập thể thao. Tính tôi thẳng thắn thật thà. Now a little bit faster. Tính tôi thẳng thắn thật thà. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to download the textbooks, get the link in the description. Or if you want to make donation from me, so get the information in the description. Thank you for watching.